What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, man. So I was driving in my Mazda 5 the other day, and it was really hot. It was a really hot day, and I realized the AC stopped blowing cold. Like, it was blowing fine, and then it stopped blowing. So I pulled it into a storage unit, and I decided, let me check it out. And what I came to find out is that the magnetic coil inside, it's shot. So what I did was I ordered a part on Amazon, so I can, is it Amazon? I believe eBay, sorry, it's eBay. Yeah, guys, I got it all mixed up, though. But it is what it is. But anyway, I'm about to show you guys how to get that changed out. Yeah. All right, y'all, I've gone ahead and taken off so there was a plastic shielding right here after you take the wheel off, though. I've gone ahead and take that off. I've also gone ahead and take the belt off. And you notice I've got the car running as well. I've also got my socket in here, y'all. Don't worry. I hadn't. I'm going to show you how I do that when I take it off. So basically, when I got the AC on full blast, it's supposed to be spinning this clutch. So it wasn't spinning it before. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that before I take the clutch off, but when you got the AC on, this clutch should be spinning. So there's a magnetic coil inside here, which I'll show you guys once I get it off. That should get 12 volts from this wire right here. I don't know if you guys can see that wire right here. That wire is going back underneath there, underneath here, and that should be getting 12 volts. I've also checked the wire, and it is getting 12 volts. So that's how I know the coil is that. And I've also checked over here. I'll show you guys what I mean. So first thing I did was check the fuse for the magnetic coil. Once I noticed it wasn't working, which is this fuse right here. Let me make sure. Magnetic coil is this one right here. So you guys can see on my light, it's working on that side. And if I switch it over, it's working on that side. So it's working on both those sides, you can see, right? And I've also gone ahead and I'm about to go under here. Yo, get with me. So now if I put my wire tester, wire voltmeter tester to that wire right there, and that's coming from the fuse, y'all, you'll see that it works. So now I know I'm getting power down here, and this right here, and this right here is going to my coil. If I connect that, that should engage the clutch, and it doesn't, y'all. Alright, let's show you guys how I'm about to pull this one Allen, I believe it's a T5. What I'm gonna do, y'all, is stuck a screwdriver in between the clutch right here, and just use your impact and just like that, take this bad boy out, or if you got a socket, a ratchet, just like that. And now that we've gotten the bolts out, I'm gonna put the screwdriver in here because there's two bushing inside here that I don't want to fall out. Let me get a right screwdriver, y'all. Just like that, you put a screwdriver inside of it, and you want to take your clutch out, just guide it out. Oh, not like that, but there you go. We've got both of them right here, just like that. See that? My hands are dirty, y'all probably can't even see it, but those two right there. All right, what you're gonna need next is a snap ring plier. See that snap ring right there? See that snap ring right there? Get that in there and squeeze them. Careful, this thing can fly out, y'all. There you go, just like that. Pull it out, and your clutch, your pulley should come right off now. Alright, y'all, look at this coil, man. Look at it. It is horrible. It looks fried, y'all. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this coil is bad, y'all. Anyway, if you look down in there, there's another snap ring you're gonna need to get that one out as well. Let's get it. All right, y'all, just like that. One snap ring, and once that snap ring's up, that coil, clutch coil should come right off like that, yo. Just like that. That's it. Here's the new clutch. Ordered it from Amazon. Came pretty fast. Not too bad. I'm sorry, not Amazon, y'all, but I ordered this from eBay. eBay. Wasn't too bad. Shipping wasn't too bad. All right. What's this? So, whew, this is a new hardware. New hardware. What we got here? It's good stuff. Perfect. Now what I got here for $50, guys, I couldn't believe it when I saw it. What I got here, ooh, is a new coil. Right? A new coil. A new pulley. And a new clutch wheel. Perfect. And also, new screw. New spacers. And 2 new O-rings. Beautiful. So once the coil snap ring is seated, it shouldn't be able to move. I forgot to show you guys, but there's a groove in the back that it lines up to. I'll show you on the old one. So this pin right here sits in a groove, y'all. And y'all will see it back there once you got this thing removed. I'm not gonna take it back off. But yeah, make sure you got it aligned. That way this thing will never spin, y'all. And once that's on, we can go ahead and put on the flywheel, y'all. Just like that. Make sure your surface is clean up. Just tap it on, y'all, just like that. Perfect. It's beautiful. Once you got that on, you can go ahead and get your other snap ring on, y'all. Oh, not like that. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. Perfect. See that? She's on. Alright, next thing you want to do is get your screwdriver again. And it's time to put the clutch on. So what you want to do is put your screwdriver up in there and get your 2 spacers and slide them down just like that. Alright? Once you got that in there, now you can put your clutch on, and those will stay aligned, just like that. Beautiful. Now you can remove your screwdriver and get your bolt back in, just like that. Once that's in, first, what you want to do is hand tighten it. As snug as you can with your hands. And you grab your screwdriver. And you want to snug them up. Just like that, y'all. Oh no. So the clutch is already engaging. That's not good. Did I miss a step? That should not be engaging. Those spacers in there. Alright, there it is, y'all. Now that it's all installed, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Go. We got the AC already on. Feel that, y'all? Nice and cool. Woo! I can feel it already. Alright. There it is, y'all. That clutch wheel spinning like a lot. There it is, y'all. That clutch wheel spinning. It's engaging and spinning, and it sounds beautiful. Not only that, I'm getting ice cold AC, yo. Ice cold AC. How does that AC feel, Baba? Yeah. It feels good. Where you go? There it is. Nice and cold, y'all. Well, you can't feel it from the paper, but there it is, y'all. See it? All done. That'd be all for today, man. If you guys find this handy, man, be sure to leave a comment and hit the thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, man, because I've got more content coming, man. A lot cooler than this. I know I'm just fixing up the Mazda right now, but I got cooler stuff coming, man. And you guys should subscribe and stay tuned, man, because I believe you guys are gonna be into this stuff, man. I'm a new YouTuber, y'all, so bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to make these videos as good as possible, and yeah, man. Peace out. Stay tuned.